membaca di artikel di media online bahwa film Fast and Furious ini akan dimulai di Amerika, kemudian akan lanjut di seluruh dunia. Tapi apa sih keistimewaan film tersebut ya? Dia adalah film Fast and Furious 9, itu adalah sudah memasuki edisi ke-9, right? Nah, sekarang keistimewaan daripada film ini biasanya penggemar akan menonton film ini selanjutnya ya. Jadi begitu film berakhir, maka biasanya akan di-request untuk selanjutnya. Why? Because it provides a special note to his fans, namely the monumental and entertaining story. Yeah. It's full of euphoria. Yeah, euphoria. Monumental because why monumental? Because this story is supported with the special impression. Yeah. Entertaining aims and goal wanted to be given to people. The story is not like the movie Knives Out. The Fast saga share the nuance of adventures supported by technology. Yeah, the film is so powerful. Ya, film ini sangat powerful ya. Dia menggambarkan tentang a sense of friendship, loyalty, and family. In the previous story, the film gives a description and unity in a friendship, and rigid and not rigid and stagnant. Dom, Vin Diesel, remind us of the meaning of the respect to families and friends. Yeah. In this episode, Dom told his team that we must chase the crime people and not need to wait because the criminal will find you. Oke, jadi satu hal yang paling penting dalam film ini akan inspiring for business people. In each part, the film has depicted and top business people at the same time we should move on progress. Yeah, yes, it's absolutely. From the description above, clearly illustrated, this film is in the list by fans. Yeah. Oke, so nonton terus channel kami dan see you on the next video. Bye bye.
Hey guys. Surprise.
Nice clubhouse.